They were happier than me actually. We didn't have that feeling, so I was very disappointed that time. That's how I joined Things Repeater batch. So I did a lot of research, asked a lot of people. One thing I would suggest you to do is myself, Pavitra. I'm coming from Kerala, Malappuram. I've been preparing for design entrance exam for 1 year at Think Institute of Design, Calicut. Now I've secured a rank 2 in NIFT entrance examination with an All India rank 5, and I've also qualified UC with a rank 60. After my 10th results, I was very confused, like what to choose, which course to choose, should I go for any preparation. All of my friends were going for NEET and JEE preparation. So my parents asked whether I should go, or do you have any other interest or something. So I did a lot of research, asked a lot of people, and came to know about NID and NIFT. That time I didn't know about UCID and all. So after my +1 results, I joined the weekend batch of Think, but I didn't attend much classes because I gave more importance to the 12th boards. But after the 12th result, I was almost sure I wanted to choose this field. Designing was my passion. Like I wanted to choose, I knew I wanted this. So that's how I joined Things Repeater batch for one more time. I couldn't have achieved this much of a top rank without proper guidance. So Think really helped me to achieve this. The classes at Think were amazing because we had no pressure, no stress or anything. Yeah, they conducted exams, worksheets and all, but we didn't have that feeling, any stress or tension or something, because the faculties were very kind towards us and they helped us a lot. When it comes to time management and all, it is the mock test and worksheets that help me a lot. And also they provide a lot of study materials, especially for GK and all. So that's what helped me for the GAT part. And also they not only conduct classes for drawing, they also conduct classes for maths, arithmetics, GK, even English. Arithmetics classes were very useful for me, and when it comes to the result also, 20% or something, that is from GAT part. So I've scored more marks in GAT part. And also from Think, they always give us a lot of tips like live sketching and all. I've been doing live sketching for 4 months, and time management, perspective, relative proportion, such things, I got improved such things through live sketching and all. So yeah, Think helped me a lot. When it came to the last months, I gave more importance to the GAT part, especially GK and maths, because my drawing skills were almost okay during that time, because I could manage time properly, and my line quality and all were improved when it came to the last month. So I gave more importance to GK and arithmetics. I solved a lot of previous year questions, and also I used to solve drawing questions also. For the prelims exam, GAT part was easier. The arithmetics part was much easier. When it came to GK, it was a bit hard, but creative ability test was easy. There were 3 questions, among which only one was a bit unexpected. The other 2 questions were easy and we had enough time to do it. And situation test, most of the questions were expected only. We had choice, and yeah, the questions were expected. This is my second time attending NIFT exam. Last year also I attended and qualified for prelims, but I couldn't attend situation test due to my board exams. So I was very disappointed that time. But now my 1 year of preparation has paid off, and I was very happy when I came to know about the result with a rank 5. I informed my parents, they too were very happy about it, and then I informed the faculties of Think. They were happier than me actually. If you guys are planning to attend next year's design exam, one thing I would suggest you to do is live sketching, because it had helped me a lot when it comes to relative proportion and perspective. And also the GAT part or the arithmetic part helps you a lot to improve your rank, because not many of the students study a lot of maths and arithmetic. So if you can improve your maths through doing previous year questions and all, it would be very helpful.